Hey guys, welcome to MyAirbags. I'm Eli, and today we're going to show you how to remove the airbag SRS module on this Nissan Rogue. Now, if you want to save hundreds on the airbag module we're going to show you how to remove, you can stick around towards the end of the video and we'll show you exactly how to do it. Because we're working on the airbag system, I like to remove the power going into the car first by disconnecting the battery. But this car has powered seats, so let's go ahead and address those first by moving them all the way back. Now the first step inside of the car is going to be right here in the center console area. The cup holder has a little rubber placemat here. You want to remove that. And down right in there, we're using a T25 or a Torx 25 bit. And then next, you want to go ahead and start working this panel up. You want to get some leverage from back here, and it's held down by a series of clips. And then right below, you will see it's being held down by these little plugs. And you just want to pinch the back side of it. You'll feel a little indent and then pull out. And then we have another harness here, same idea. Press down, pinch, and pull out. And then one more at the front side here. Once you have that console removed, right underneath the radio console, you'll see two screws, and they're both T25s. Next, we want to not completely remove this panel, but we want to get at least the back half of it off. And you can grab right underneath and use some leverage to pull up. Again, it's held down by some clips. And then same thing on the passenger side. Once we have these moved to the side, this center piece is free. Again, it's held down by a clip. And right under that piece, you'll see two Phillips screws. And then from the rear panel of the center console, you just want to push on it towards the back. And here you'll see two more Phillips. And then we have one more wire harness on the back side of this rear console. And then down below where that harness comes out of, you'll see two 10mm sockets. And at this point, the armrest is free because we took out those four screws holding it down. I like to start from the back and just give it a nice pull. And then the front. Now moving down towards the footwell by the acceleration pedal underneath the steering wheel. On the driver's side here, this panel needs to come off and it's held down by clips. And down below you'll see these three Phillips, and then there's going to be two T25s, one on this side and one towards the front. And then just repeat the process on the passenger side as well. Now, a lot of people ask us in the comments, why do you need to remove the airbag module to begin with? Well, the airbag module acts as a black box. So after an accident, it records everything that happened before. The speed, the brakes, but basically it stores permanent crash codes. And a dealership will tell you you have to replace it. Here at MyAirbags.com, we can actually reset it so you don't have to buy a brand new one from a dealership. They typically cost around $600 up to $800 brand new. Here at MyAirbags, we can actually reset your original one, the one that was in the accident, for a fraction of the cost, anywhere from $49 up to $139. But either way, it's a fraction of the cost for brand new. We can do the same thing with the seatbelts. Seatbelts lock up and deploy after an accident. Here at MyAirbags, you can send in the module along with your seatbelts, and we can actually rebuild the seatbelts back to its original design and function, where it will work again as designed in another accident event. Now, the last step here before we lift up the center console is this panel. The left side does not need to come off, but this one was a little challenging to get off, but it kind of pops off the same way as we did at the other panels by some clips. We can go ahead and start lifting up the center console. I like to use one hand from the back, one hand from the front to guide it right up. Now at this step, it's very important that we have the battery disconnected. We don't want any power going into the module while we're removing it. And then also the second thing you do after you remove the power connection is the plugs, and third, the bolts. Same thing goes for when you're installing it. Bolt it down firmly, then plug it in, then apply battery power. If you don't do it in the right steps, if we have power going into it and it's unbolted, plugged in, you start moving it, you run the chance of deploying your airbags and seat belts if they're already installed. So starting here with the plugs, you just want to push up on this little lever here, this little clip, push out, and the plug will come right out. And then I'm using a 10mm socket to remove these 3 bolts holding it down. So this is what the airbag module will look like on a 2021 through 2025 Nissan Rogue. So we can reset these type of modules as well as pretty much any year, make, and model. There's maybe 1% of modules that we don't do quite yet. You can call, text us, or email us. We'll be happy to answer your question. And same thing goes for the seat belts. We can actually rebuild the seat belts back to its original design and function. We're going to make another video on that on this car, so you can check it out on our channel. If you want to know more about us, just go to myairbags.com. You can call us, email us, or text us. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions.